Merry Christmas to all my viewers. Today I am going to make pineapple fritters. So for that I have sliced this pineapple and I'm going to dry all the juice from the pineapple with the help of a kitchen towel. So pineapple has lot of juices in it. So first I'm going to dry it very nicely with the help of a kitchen towel, so that when it goes into the oil, the juice does not splatters. So I have wiped nicely all the pineapple pieces. Now in a bowl I have taken half cup of rice flour. You can also take wheat flour, and 4 spoons of corn starch or corn flour, and put little bit of water and mix very nicely, and there shouldn't be any lump. So mix in the smooth batter. And then in another bowl I have also taken the same like rice flour and also little bit of corn flour. So take a pineapple slice and dip it into the batter, and after that you can coat it with this mixture of rice flour and the corn flour powder, and then fry it in the oil, deep fry. So these pineapple fritters are very yummy. So it is, the pineapples are very sweet and little tangy, so it gives a taste of sweet and tangy. It's awesome. So please make these pineapple fritters for this festive season and enjoy with your friends and family. So you need to deep fry it in the oil, and see how nicely the pineapple gets caramelized and is changing its color into golden brown. So the fritters are getting fried very nicely. Now I am going to take it out one by one from the oil. So these fritters are very nice, especially during festival time. You can serve it to the guest, whoever is visiting the house. So I have taken out the fritters and I have put it in a kitchen towel, so the extra oil is been soaked, and sprinkle little bit of sugar powder. If you have some sugar powder you can sprinkle. And I am going to serve it with chocolate syrup and some honey, organic honey and chocolate syrup. So with chocolate syrup and honey it tastes very yummy. You can have it as it is, but with that it will give you a super taste. So please make this and enjoy it with your friends and family.